Okay, so this is the world's first luxury foldable smartphone, and believe me when I say this, it starts at around $7,000 and top model cost a mind-boggling $34,000. Wow. This guy says Vertu ALPHAFOLD, and honestly, before I even touched the phone, the experience I already started, because unlike other smartphones I've unboxed recently, this one doesn't arrive in just another tiny cardboard box. It feels more like you are about to unbox an expensive luxury piece of fine jewelry. Ah, wow. Just lifting this lid already feels special. Now inside, everything is beautifully presented with this premium velvet lined interior. Exactly the kind of presentation you'd expect when opening something truly valuable. Guys, sitting right on the top, the Vertu ALPHAFOLD in this gorgeous amber brown finish. That looks absolutely stunning. The first thing that caught my attention wasn't the specifications, it is the craftsmanship. The leather, the metal frame, the signature detailing. Every single part of this phone feels handcrafted. The moment you pick it up, you instantly understand what Vertu is trying to achieve here. This isn't simply another device. It's a luxury product that also happens to be a flagship foldable smartphone. Guys, the in-hand feel is incredible. It weighs around 264 grams, and yes, you definitely feel it in your hand, but in a very reassuring way. Almost like holding a handcrafted luxury watch or a high-end leather wallet. Now before we switch the phone on, let's continue with the unboxing because Vertu has clearly put a lot of efforts and thought into the entire ownership experience. The second compartment slides out almost like opening an envelope. Inside we have the warranty documentation, the user manual, and a microfiber cleaning cloth, which honestly make complete sense because if you are spending this much on a luxury phone, you are definitely gonna want to keep that leather and display looking spotless. Then we move on to another sliding compartment. Inside we get the official Vertu authenticity card, which immediately make the whole experience even more exclusive. It's a nice reminder that you are not just buying another smartphone, you are buying an authentic luxury product. Next to that we have a leather care guide, which again is a thoughtful inclusion, a SIM ejector tool, and then a welcome letter to the Vertu family. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but these small details genuinely makes the ownership experience feel much more personal and exclusive. Yeah, luxury is often about these little things, and Vertu seems to understand that really well. Guys, we are still not done. There are some boxes which contains accessories. The first one contains a beautifully braided USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and I really like that even comes inside its own little pouch instead of simply being wrapped in plastic. The second box houses the charging adapter, and finally a premium leather carrying pouch designed specially for the ALPHAFOLD. Now that's something you almost never see included with these smartphones anymore. So here's the device itself. The hinge feels really satisfying. Opening and closing, it has a really solid feel. Now once unfolded, you are greeted with this beautiful 8.25-inch inner display, and wow, it immediately grabs your attention. It looks incredibly vibrant, the viewing angles are excellent, scrolling is buttery smooth, and watching content on a screen this large is honestly a fantastic experience.
Dream of our family. Someday it'll all be yours.
Then when you fold it shut, you still have a fully usable 6.53-inch outer display, so using it closed never feels compromised. It feels like carrying both a flagship smartphone and a flagship tablet in one device. The ALPHAFOLD is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Supreme chipset based on 3nm process paired with a massive 16 gigs of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. So performance is exactly what you would expect from a true flagship. Whether you are gaming, here's a gameplay of Genshin Impact, and this device definitely performs really well. So amazing gaming experience, no lags, no hiccups. Here even when multitasking or running AI features, this phone handles everything effortfully.
Over there. Come on, let's
But honestly, hardware isn't the most interesting part about this phone, because what really makes the ALPHAFOLD different is the Hermes agent. So you might have seen AI assistant on smartphones, but Hermes agent feels like trying to go one step further. Instead of simply answering questions, it actually gets things done for you. The ALPHAFOLD comes with Hermes agent built right into the system, capable of working across more than 70 supported applications while also controlling 64 different phone functions completely through your voice. And according to Vertu, the more you use it, the more it learns your preference over time. Let me give you a real world example. Imagine you are traveling for work. Instead of opening Chrome, then booking.com, then Uber, and then your calendar, you simply press the dedicated red Hermes button on the side and say, book me a business class flight to Dubai next week, reserve a 5-star hotel near downtown, and schedule an Uber to pick me up from the airport. And guys, Hermes agents start coordinating those tasks across supported applications. That is pretty cool. Here's another example. Maybe you are in the middle of an important meeting, you simply say, show me the latest unread Gmail, or send a WhatsApp message to Alex saying that the video is now out. No jump in between applications, no manual typing. It's almost like having a personal assistant that's always available in your pocket.
Message sent to Alex on WhatsApp.
Another solid feature Vertu is introducing is the VPS AI Intelligence Chairman Cockpit. The idea is pretty interesting. Instead of opening complicated business software and navigating through menus, you simply ask what you need using natural language. For example, show today's sales performance, or approve this purchase order, or even upload a business contract, or let the AI summarize key clauses and highlight potential risk. The best part of all this is Vertu's approach towards privacy, because when AI becomes more capable, security becomes even more important. The ALPHAFOLD includes features like private space, end-to-end encryption, encrypted VTalk, and a triple system isolation architecture that's designed to keep sensitive information separated and protected. Again, that's something we all are definitely gonna appreciate. Now back to the hardware. There's a massive 6500 mAh battery which can last hours and days. Combined with 65 watts of fast charging, you can get backup and running quickly without spending hours plugged into the wall. On the rear, we have a 50 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera along with a telephoto camera for additional reach, while selfies are handled by a 20 megapixel front facing camera. Guys, I've been taking some photos throughout the day, and honestly the images look really nice. The colors are balanced, details are sharp, dynamic range is really good, and overall it's exactly what you would expect from a premium flagship experience. So overall, the ALPHAFOLD is an all-rounder. The handcrafted leather, the premium materials, the luxurious presentation, the exclusive ownership experience, the Hermes agent, the privacy feature, even small things like a dedicated leather pouch, authenticity card, and welcome letter makes the experience feel much more personal than opening an ordinary smartphone. Honestly guys, that's what impressed me the most. Every single interaction feels intentional, from opening that velvet lined box to unfolding the phone to pressing the Hermes button and letting AI take care of everyday tasks. It feels like it's designed to make the ownership feel special. It's not a phone that's trying to compete with your ordinary flagship. It's trying to offer something completely different. It's a flagship that blends luxury craftsmanship with modern AI technology, and after spending time with Vertu ALPHAFOLD, I can honestly say it's one of the most unique smartphones I've ever had to experience, because sometimes luxury is not about expensive material. It's about how a product makes you feel every single time you pick it up. And guys, the Vertu ALPHAFOLD definitely delivers that feeling. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.